Sound check, test. Logging in. There we go. Hello.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. How are you doing today?
Hello. Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you.
Good, good.
And you?
Oh, I'm
Yes.
doing great. I was just, I was waiting for you. Oh yeah, I received your message last Saturday. Unfortunately, due to, I was really exhausted last Saturday, so I slept almost the whole day. I never got to read any messages last Saturday. But you, how about you? How
Yes.
how are you? You said you were busy. You're talking about something about Trump, so I was like, okay, that's funny. Yeah.
Uh,
All right. What happened last week? You were out the whole week last week. What happened?
um, I'm s- I'm went outside when it was very cold.
Ah, okay.
But I didn't wear the coat, so
Ah,
I'm
okay.
become ill. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's really important for you to wear your coat. Don't forget, it's really cold. How's the weather there now? If I'm not mistaken, it's like in the
Uh,
20s or below 20s. Is that right?
in the now 14 degrees.
Goodness. I
Yes.
was able to check the weather earlier this morning. I checked in Hanoi, like 11 o'clock here in the Philippines.
Yes.
10 o'clock in Hanoi, it was 9.
Yes.
In Da Nang, 11 o'clock Philippine time, 10 o'clock Vietnamese time, that's like 22. So now you're saying it's 14, it's even more worse. But the good thing is that you're back. Welcome back to your class. Yeah, I missed you, man. I
Yes.
missed you for the whole week. And yeah,
Yes.
so we will continue with design solutions, both as a review basically. We're going to read some of these, and then we're going to some activities. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's begin. All right. So design solutions, design objectives. The web page below is from a manufacturing company's intranet. Oh, let me sorry, share my screen. Are you in that page? Okay, let's check. Sorry. There you go. Okay, let's go to page 12, please. Design solutions. Okay. And tell me if you're there.
Design solutions.
Okay. Design objectives. The web page below is from a manufacturing company's intranet, not intranet, intranet. What does that mean? It means that it is your network connection within the company. All
Yes.
right. I will read the instruction. Company design procedure. The design brief. A design brief for the proposed product should be drawn up by the project engineer. This should consist of a detailed list of technical objectives which the design team must work to in order to produce a design solution. All right. The key elements of the brief are, please read.
Yes, function.
Mm-hmm.
The product's intended use, what it is designed to do, including performance targets, strength, powers, durability, etc.
Okay.
Mm,
Function. The product's
fun-
intended use. That is what function means. The product's intended use. What is the intention of a cell phone? It's to call another person. What is the intention of a pen? It is to write. The same. The product's intended use. What it is designed to do, including performance targets, strength, power, durability, and etc. So that what function means. The product's intended use. Next one, please read constraints.
constraints, limits on
Uh-huh.
the design. For example, it must not exceed a maximum size or weight limit.
Constraints. Limits on the design. For example, it must not exceed a maximum size or weight limit. We usually hear this like in production. Say for like example, in a supermarket, you will see boxes. Let's say a box of noodles. Okay, it would say there you can only stack up to 5 pallets. You can no longer stack beyond 5 pallets. Why? Maybe because it's too heavy already. It can only support 5 stacks. That's just it. Constraints. All right, next one, comparative targets.
Comparative targets,
Mm-hmm.
how well the product should perform compared with existing models, competing product already on the market, or the current model that the new product will replace.
All right. So basically, let me just type in. All right. Existing models. I want you to please repeat existing.
Existing,
Okay. It's like
existing,
this. It's like this. Existing.
existing, existing,
Existing. Try again.
existing,
Yes. Yes. Again.
existing,
Existing. Very good. It's much more better.
existing.
All right.
Yes.
So that will be one of your assignments. Yeah, you can write it down on a piece of paper. We're going to review that on Friday for all of the words that you might have challenges with. All right, let's go back. Comparative targets, how well the product should perform compared with existing models, competing products already on the market, or current model that the new product will replace. It's the same thing as phones. All right, sometimes you compare iPhone to Samsung. That has been, the case before. And now you could also use like iPhone 9 compared to iPhone 10, compared to iPhone 11, compared to iPhone 12. So basically that is comparative targets. All right. Next one, design features.
Design features, specific things the new design must have. For example, rechargeable batteries, a lid with a lock.
Okay. Give me just a second. Rechargeable. Okay. I want you to repeat this word, please.
Recharge, rechargeable,
Okay. Let's cut it
rechargeable,
into syllables. Re, char, j, bull.
rechargeable,
Rechargeable.
rechargeable, rechargeable,
Yes, better, right? Rechargeable. 4 syllables. All right,
rechargeable.
very good. Okay. Design features, specific things the new design must have. For example, rechargeable batteries. Before, the batteries weren't rechargeable, but then came the invention of a new type of batteries. It can be recharged. Before the batteries for phones are like this small, now it's like this big. See? Design features. All right, last one. Please read. Budget.
Budget. The cost limits that must not be exceeded in order to make the design cost effective.
Okay. What does this mean? It means that some way, somehow, they would reduce some of the features that is basically not needed. Like for example, like this mouse. All right, sometimes they will have to take this out. Because it's kind of like bulky. It's not needed. You have to take it out. It gives you less costing when it comes to building that one because you're removing a single part. Budget, the cost limits that must not be exceeded. All right, let's say for example, you have a budget of $100 million to build a 52-floor building in the heart of Ho Chi Minh. All right, you cannot exceed over 100 because if you exceed into over 100, the design or it will not make the design cost effective. All right, letter B, design calculations. All right, I want you to please read the first paragraph.
These calculations. Design information is shown on drawings and written specifications documents which describe the materials, size, and technical requirements of components. In order to specify this detailed information, an engineer must evaluate, that is, identify and calculate the loads, forces that that key components will have to carry. To do this, the engineer needs to determine, identify the different loads, then quantify them, that is, calculate them in number form. Usually, each load is quantified based on a worst case scenario. In other words, an engineer will allow for the maximum load, such as an aircraft making a very hard landing, or a bridge being hit by extremely high winds.
Extremely high winds. Now, before we continue, I would like for you to review some of the words. Okay, this is the first word. Okay, let's try this again.
Materials.
Okay. All right. Materials. Can you say materials?
Materials.
Very good. Okay. Next one.
Materials.
Okay. How about this one?
specify,
Specify.
specify,
Specify. Specify.
specify, specify,
Very good.
specify.
Okay. Next one. We have here. Let me just type it in.
Specify, specify.
Evaluate.
Evaluate,
Not evaluate.
evaluate,
No. It's like cutting it again. You don't cut this time around. Not evaluate. No. Evaluate.
evaluate,
Again.
evaluate,
Eval. You. like you.
evaluate.
It's like you. Say you.
You.
You. Yeah. Evaluate.
Evaluate.
Again.
Evaluate.
Evaluate. There's no S. Eval. You. Wait. Evaluate.
Evaluate.
Not j. Not j. Don't say j.
Wait.
You. Eval. You. Wait.
You. Evaluate.
Yes. There you go. Evaluate. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Evaluate. What is the next word? This one's kind of like a mouthful, but yeah. Let me dissect it for you. All right, this is how it should sound.
Component. Components.
Components. Components. Components. Very good.
Components.
Very good. Next one. Okay, let me type it in. Okay, it's like this. Determine. D, it's longer. Determine.
Determine.
Very good.
Determine.
Very good. All right. A few more words and we're going to go back. All right. All right. Try this one.
Calculate.
Calculate. Very good.
Calculate.
All right. How about this one?
Based.
Based. A while ago you said, you said differently. Based like that. It's not said spaced. Maybe because you're getting rusty, you got, you were off like the whole week. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you that leeway. All right. Extremely.
Extremely. Extremely.
Extremely.
Extremely.
Yes.
Extremely.
Yeah. Yeah, because a while ago you're really having problems in reading the last part. Extremely high winds. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next paragraph.
After maximum loads have been
Quantified.
Yes, and engineer will apply a factor of safety. This is an extra margin to make the component strong enough to carry loads that are higher than the worst case scenario. For example, a factor of 1.5 increases the load a component can carry by 50%. After this has been factored in, the engineer will then size the components, that is, calculate the size.
Okay, again, last sentence. Calculate what?
Yes. Engineers Engineers are
No. Sorry,
sometimes,
I said repeat the last part of the sentence. Calculate what?
yeah, calculate the required size.
Okay.
Size.
Before we continue, I want you to say these words again. Okay.
Quantified.
Very good.
Quantified.
Next one.
Safety.
Okay,
Safety.
not safety, it's
Safety.
safety. All right. You might have forgotten it, but it's safety. Next one.
Higher.
Okay. A while ago I heard higher. You don't cut it. Higher. Just one smooth stroke. Higher.
Higher.
Very good. And last one. This is a number.
5.
Okay, 5. A while ago I heard 5. So don't you forgot to, complete it. It has a
Yes.
V. Yeah. Because
5.
there's a big difference. There's a big difference. If you would go back to it, there's a big difference when it comes to pronunciations. All right. Let's move on. Engineers. Next paragraph, please.
Yes. 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 Very difficult.
Number
Small.
page 12. Let me enlarge it for you. Okay, here it is. Engineers are sometimes okay. Mr. Lee, were you able to see it?
Yes.
Okay. Engineers are sometimes last paragraph. That's the last paragraph of page 12.
Yes. Yes. Engineers are sometimes criticized
Criticize.
because says our design things.
Criticize.
City size. City size. City size.
Okay. We'll get back to that
Because
later,
that
don't worry.
is our design.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Because they over design things.
Because they over design things. It is the same matters of safety, which increased costs. However, according to Murphy's law, anything that can go wrong will. The subject that belt embraces an expression often used in engineering based on the safest method of holding up trousers is a sensible approach.
Sensible approach. Okay. Let's
Sensible.
try these words.
Sensible.
Let's review some of the words. This is where you had problems earlier. Let me divide it. Okay. Try this one. Criticized.
Criticize.
Size.
Criticize.
There's a D at the end.
Criticize.
Not
Criticize.
actually criticize. It's criticized.
Criticized.
Yes, you got it. There you go. There's a D. If there's a D at the end, you will surely have to make it sound like D. Criticized. All right, next one.
Over design.
Over design. Very good. How about this one?
It's excessive.
Excessive. It's like this.
Excessive.
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 Mhm.
Excessive.
Okay. And for the second time, I heard this one being pronounced incorrectly. Say it again.
Safety.
Not safe. Safe. Say. It's like I want to say something. Safety.
Safety.
Very good.
Safety.
Okay. Next one.
Braces.
Braces, not C's. Braces.
Braces.
Yes.
Braces.
Not C's, okay? Braces, not C's.
Yes.
All right. Next one.
Braces. Yes. Based. Based.
Based. Again, the word based. Yeah. Okay.
Based.
Uh-huh. And lastly.
Sensible.
Not seen.
Sensible.
It's not double E. It's just one E. Sensible.
Sensible.
Yes. Okay.
Sensible.
Yeah, I know you just forgot. Yeah, you just came back. So, okay, let's try to answer these ones. Let me make it more bigger. Okay. Complete the sentence from technical conversations using words in the box. Look at A, opposite, to help you. All right. So we have here words budget, cost effective, exceed, feature, proposed, constraint, designed, existing, and function. All of those words that we defined a while ago. Now, let's try to answer it. All right, for number one, of course, money is limited. Cost limitations are always a blank. What do you think is your answer for this one?
Cost limited always. Always. Limited always.
Okay.
Always. Sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
Cost limited. Yeah, but it's always. Content. Constant.
Constraint. Can you say constraint?
Constraint.
Constraint. Okay, that's your answer.
Constraint.
I will record it first. All right, constraint. But some finance is available. A blank has been allocated for the preliminary design phase.
Has been allocated. Yes. First. Budget.
Budget. Can you say budget?
Budget. Yes.
Okay.
Budget.
Not budget. It's or budget.
Budget.
It's budget. Okay.
Budget. Budget.
Thank you. All right. A budget has been allocated for the preliminary design phase, a total of $35,000, but we mustn't blank that amount.
Exceed. Exceed.
All right. Number two. Obviously, if we have to spend 80 euros on components for each appliance and the appliances are sold for 70 euros, that's not a blank design solution.
Is that not cost effective? This is
Cost
effective.
Not effective. Cost effective.
Effective.
Yes.
Cost effective.
Very good.
Cost effective.
Cost effective design solution number three. The blank of this detector is to locate underground cables by giving audio feedback. Since it blank to be used in noisy environment, the earphone is an important blank. So we have three answers here. The blank of this detector is to locate underground cables.
function. The
Function.
function. Yes.
All right. The
Mm,
function. Okay. Since it's blank to be used in noisy environments.
designed. Designed.
Designed
Yes.
and to be
Earphone.
used in noisy environments, the earphone is an important blank
Feature. Feature.
feature. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time, or yeah, enough time. It's 11:01 here in
Yes.
my clock. It's 10:01 there in Vietnam. But we will continue this tomorrow. Yeah, I'd
Yes.
like for us to continue this tomorrow as we also answer some of the other questions right here or exercises. All right. That was
Yes.
a good thing. You're welcome back. Yeah, you're kind of getting rusty when it comes to pronunciation, but I know you'll be able to recover within the whole week. So we'll continue tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, see you again.
Yes.
And oh, do you have any questions, Mr. Thuan, regarding our lesson?
Yes.
Do you have any questions? Okay, what's your question?
No, no questions.
Oh,
No
okay.
questions.
All right, if you don't have any more questions, then I thank you for attending your class, and I'll see you tomorrow, Mr. Lee. Goodbye.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, and you're welcome.
Yes. Okay. Okay.